Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal, what emotion and duration you need, and where it will live. Once done, scan footage for moments that match that tone. Prioritize high-energy or emotionally clear beats. Use timestamps and markers as you go, because marking saves time later. Make sure to pull from multiple sources, game capture, phone clips, desktop recordings, to increase variety and options for cut points and transitions. Now you comb through with intent. Scrub at 2x to 4x speed and watch audio waveforms for spikes that indicate laughs, shouts, or hits. Once you see a moment, set in and out points with a 5-10 second safety buffer so you can breathe during cuts. Tag each clip by emotion, motion, and intended use. This organization lets you assemble options quickly and keeps creative flow from stalling during the middle of the edit. Finish by pairing each clip to its strongest 1 to 3 beats, tightening trims until every frame earns its place. Then align cuts to audio transients so visuals hit on sound. This is why timing matters. Export using an ABR around 10-20 Mbps for quality versus size. If the punch feels off, reevaluate the lead timing, add or remove 0.050, 2 seconds, and check for unintended audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.